Babies love to be cuddled and held. Skin-to-skin contact is a very simple way to connect with your baby. It triggers your hormones, which tells your body to start milk production and release, not just for the first time right after birth, but at each feeding for months to come. Mothers' bodies are a secure environment for babies. This is where they feel safe. Babies' brains begin to make new connections, and they learn about the world when they feel safe and secure. They regulate their breathing, heartbeat, and temperature. They save energy and begin to use touch, sight, smell, taste, and sound to find milk. Fathers and partners can also bond with their baby using skin-to-skin contact. Skin-to-skin contact can calm your baby or get him ready to breastfeed. It can also be something you enjoy together many times as he grows older, to connect with him and nurture his brain development.